Hello guys! Welcome again to ShareCapsky TV, and today, itatakal natin kung paano mag-refund even though order completed na siya sa Shopee. You just have to message the representatives or yung mga parang agents sa mismong Shopee. At the same time, you can also contact the seller via chat doon sa mismong page shop nila sa Shopee. So, I'm going to tell you the things that I do para at least ma-refund natin kahit order completed. Example na lang is late mong na-check yung parcel mo at order completed na siya. May paraan pa rin siya, guys. Yun. So, andito yung mga kulit kong twins. Say hello, twins.
Hello.
What will you say to them?
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, para malaman nyo yung buong tutorial, patapusin nyo ang video na ito. Dito sa mga tutorials ko is tinuturo ko dito yung mga paraan na ginagawa ko para sa aking mga Shopee orders. Kung halimbawa may missing item ba, kung may kailangan bang i-refund kasi nagkasira or after a while nasira siya. So, marami akong tutorials dyan, guys. You just have to look for the playlist. Nandyan yung mga tutorials ko about Lazada, Shopee, at iba-ibang applications na talaga magugustuhan nyo. Meron din mga nakakatawang vlogs about my twins, the best of Tasha and Talia dyan sa The Gavilan Twins playlist, at marami pang iba. So, please stay tuned and let's start!
Yeah.
So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa ating Shopee account. And then, we just have to go and chat with Shopee. Yan. Pagka-chat natin sa ating Shopee, continue to chat with Shopee. Wait lang. Wait, we just have to request refund on order. Yan. So, madami akong na-order dito, guys. Yan. Ito, select order. And then, check return and refund status. Gusto nila guys kasi dito is isi-ship yung dalawang steering wheel. Pero ang missing lang naman is isa. So, lagay natin yung order details. Ayan. Nandyan is return and refund. Dalawa yan. So, screenshot natin to. And pupunta tayo sa mismong seller. Contact seller. Yan. So, as you can see guys, nandyan na nga. Sinend ko na yung return and refund. Yan. Nag-reply siya. Automated reply. Please, I just need one refund because only one steering wheel is missing. So, let's proceed to our other orders, guys. So, yan yung ilan sa mga in-order ko. At ilan dyan is may problema. So, let's go here. Select order. Yan. Chat with an agent. Yan. Nag-chat na tayo for agent history. Nag-message na siya. Hello po. Tapos i-attach natin yung mga pictures. Yan. Ito. Yan. Upload lang natin. So, yan. Waiting na tayo, guys. And take note, guys. Ito kasi yung iba dito is order completed na. Pero, ang ginawa ko is chinat ko muna si seller.
Nung walang reply si seller, i-chat natin yung mga agents ng Shopee para sila yung gagawa ng paraan para mai-refund sa atin yung missing or yung may sira. Pero dapat yung sira na yun is kaya niya mismo sa product na yun. Para hindi naman tayo nanlalamang or nandadaya ng mga sellers. Yun. So, wait na lang natin. Ito. Yan. Ito naman is yung yan. Ito, na missing yung decontamination balls na pang washing machine. Wait lang. I-message muna natin yung agent. I understand that you have concerns regarding incomplete order received. No worries. I'll be more happy to check on this for you. Okay po. English na lang. Okay. Thank you. Yan. So, wait lang natin. Balik tayo doon sa ito. Ito kasi, amazing is yung durable yan. Yan. Yung washing machine, anti-winding box. So, yung nag-message din ako sa kanya. Yan, ito. So, completed na siya, guys. Pero, i-message natin siya. Yan. I-message muna natin siya. Yung, kunin natin yung order number. Yan, dapat kasi makikita yung order number, guys. Also, to my other orders, they forgot to give me the two anti-winding balls. Ito. Yan, send natin. Yan, ang sabi niya, thank you so much for patiently waiting. Upon check-in here on my end, this order has been completed last 12/26/2023. May I ask if you tried contacting the seller on this po? So, ito. Please, wag nating sabihan, baka hindi tayo i-assist. Isa na lang ulit natin. Ayan. Ito yung mga yun. Yan. Please see attached photos. Yan. Yes po. I also have other concerns regarding the refund on the anti-winding balls. So as you can see, the agent is asking for the order ID. So you just have to back and then scroll down and then copy. Yun yung order ID. Copy lang natin. And then pag paste. Pag magsisend kayo ng order, click nyo yung send order. You can select order. Tapos yung kaninang ginawa ko. Tapos ikakopy nyo na lang siya. Yan. So, ayan guys. Tinanong niya kanina yung amount. So, ibaback nyo lang siya. Tapos, click nyo yung return and refund. So, yung steering wheel is 99 pesos. So, ayan guys. Yung refund daw for the missing steering wheel will be processed within 24 hours from now. So, wait na lang natin guys. And yung isa naman, anti-winding naman po. So, nandito siya guys sa completed. Yan. At hindi nagre-reply ito. So, 5 pesos lang pala. So, 10 pesos lang. So, ang late lang pala ng price niya noon. Kasi dati kasi guys, 39 pesos isang ganyan. Yes. So, ayan. Tinanong nila ako sa active email address ko. So, ayan guys. Nag-reply na yung ating pati yung sa anti-winding, pa-file daw nila yan para sa akin. Tinanong yung email address ko and kindly wait daw via email.
Hello there guys! So naka-receive na tayo ng email from Shopee na na-receive na natin ang ating refund kahit na order received na siya noon. Yun ang ginawa ko, in-email, minessage ko yung mismong customer service agents nila dun sa chat with Shopee agents. At the same time, na-credit na siya sa ating Shopee wallet or credit card. Yun. So, let's see kung saan natin yun mahahanap. So, ayan guys. Nandito na tayo sa ating Shopee account. Punta tayo sa ating chat. Sa ating purchase history, return and refund. So, ayan guys, na-refund, completed na siya. Ito. Yan. Ito yung steering wheel. Yan. So, na-refund na po siya. Okay. At the same time, andito na yung ating email. Yan. Chat with Maria, 16 Shara 20. We've checked that this order is already tagged as completed last December 26, 2023 and outside Shopee guarantee. As one-time courtesy, I'm glad to inform you that we had already processed the refund under this order amounting to 10 pesos. At saka pati yung missing item na 99 pesos, hindi na nila ipapa-return yung dalawa kasi isa lang yung missing. Ayan. So, nakapag-refund na po tayo. Dati na ako nakakapag-refund kahit na tapos na yung order received. Pero mas maganda talaga kung under siya sa Shopee guarantee period. So guys, I hope may natutunan kayo sa vlogs ko. Don't worry, I will make another vlog kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-refund at kung ilang days yung Shopee guarantee para pasok siya sa ating refund ng mga missing items at mga kung ano-ano pa. Thank you so much and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Bye-bye!